Okay, right. So we have a number of programming options on the charge controller. The charge controller is a really nice product. It actually can be used as an independent product if necessary, or it can be used in conjunction with a system like this. If it's used as an independent device, it actually has an output for actually switching lights, switching other devices after dark. So you've got this special feature, load output. Underneath here, you've got the various connections. First two connections are your solar panel. You've then got your battery level. You've got a load output. It's all marked there. In fact, those three connections are neutral. Then you've got your load, and then you've got your battery and pump. So they're all marked very clearly. Now what you can see on here at the moment is the charge coming from the solar panel array. It's quite overcast at the moment. We're only generating 2.6 amps. So let's look at the programming and how the program is adjusted. So we hold the button marked positive, we hold plus, we hold this down, and it will move into, you see it comes into a program. So it's got 1F. 1F is the first programming function. So what 1F does is it basically allows the load output. So after dark, depending on how long, so you can set it for a number. So you can have it for 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hour, 4 hour, and then cut. So if you're going to operate lights on a billboard, for example, you want them to run for 4 hours or 6 hours, you program from 1F, and you set 1F to 6, which becomes 6 hours. If you wanted to run 4 hours after dark, you set 1F to 4, so it runs 4 hours. So that's what 1F does. So hold the button again to go back into programming mode. Hold it down, you see 1 off, press again. We are now 2F. 2F is a simple function. 2F simply says, do you want the output load to come on all the time at dark rather than the timed output? So if you say yes, then it ignores 1F. So 2F is an output that switches when there is a dark, and when it is daytime, it's off. It's a simple output. Okay, right, we'll go on to 3F. So hold the button down. 1, 2, 3. Now 3F is actually the type of batteries that we're using. There's different types of batteries. Now I'm going to program 3F to 3. Now 3F is actually 3. The reason for 3 is because the batteries that we used on here are AGM, using a glass type of dielectric. So it's a particular type of battery. But selecting the different modes, we can select if we're going to use lead acid, wet cell, sealed lead acid, AGM. So the different, if you refer to the manual, it will give you the different options. So 3F is in fact the type of battery. So let's just program this one the same. So we'll go back on here, we hold the button down, 1, 2, 3, and we'll select 3F as 3, which is in fact AGM battery. So these are actually set wrong, it was a mistake. So I've now selected to 3F. Next function, 4F. 4F is the maximum charge current the charge regulator can deliver. So let's go to 4F. We hold the button down. And 1, 2, 3, 4. Maximum charge current is 50 amp, you can see there. We can actually go higher than 50 amp. In fact, it needs to go right round, so I go. In fact, this is actually a 50 amp device, so I apologize. We have higher current ones, so 50 amp is the maximum. So in fact, it was actually set as default. You can see as I flick down, is it can alter the charge current. So I'll go back up to the background. I'm missing it each time. Okay, so 16, 15, 14, 13, 12. This is the maximum charge current. I've done it. Okay, I'm not going to do it. I've done it twice. I'm jumping two things. Okay, so maximum charge current is 50 amp, and we can check on the same here. We hold the button down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 50 amp. So maximum charge current of these controllers is 50 amp. Okay, there is a next feature, which is feature 5, which is function 5. That denotes the size of the battery that we've got. So that goes anything from 1 amp per hour to 1000 amp per hour. So in fact, our battery pack is 500 amp per hour. So we hold the button down here. 1,